Okay, let's start off our guided class practice. Number 1 reads, on Monday, the cafeteria served 254 hot lunches. On Tuesday, they served 329 hot lunches. How many hot lunches did they serve on these 2 days together? So let's go ahead and underline the important information. So they served 254 hot lunches on Tuesday, and they served 329 hot lunches on Tuesday. So how many did they serve on these 2 days altogether? So what kind of problem is this? Get ready? Yes, some more. So what we've got is an addition problem, so we need to go ahead and use our workspace to add our 254 hot lunches to our 329. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 and 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So our number sentence will be 254, just going to abbreviate, hot lunches plus 329 hot lunches equal the answer is 583 hot lunches. All right, number 2 reads 12 children chose vanilla ice cream, 9 children chose chocolate ice cream, and 5 children chose strawberry ice cream. All right, so let's go ahead and underline the important information. We got 12 chose vanilla, and I'm going to change colors because I think this will help. 9 children chose chocolate, and 5 chose strawberry. So, shade the graph to show the ice cream flavors the children chose. So let's see, for chocolate, they chose 9. So I can color in all the way to the 8. And then we need to color in half of the next segment to equal 9, because if we colored it all the way, it would be 10, and that would be wrong. So let's go and do vanilla next. We have 12 children chose vanilla, so we have 12 here. So I can go ahead and color all the way up to this line for vanilla. Okay. And 5 children chose strawberries. So let's look down here. So it's going to be right in the middle of this square, so that we're indicating 5, not 4 or 6. All right, now it says how many more children chose vanilla than chocolate? How many more chose vanilla than chocolate? Let's see. I might draw a line right here. And we can see that 1 square equals 2, and then half of another one equals 1, so that we know that 3 more children chose vanilla than chocolate.